How to set up your homepage to be a static page in WordPress. You can easily turn your blog into a website with a static homepage that people will land on every time they arrive. Combine a homepage with other static pages and some custom menus to help visitors navigate. And before you can say "told you so," you've got a website. You can change the default homepage on WordPress to be a static page with just a few steps. Let's see how we can do that. So, first of all, open your browser and enter into your domain. You see that on the main page we have the WordPress default page. If we click On Page from the menu, you can see other pages. So, what if we want to have the test page on the home page of the WordPress site? Let's enter into the Administration panel for this. Add a new tab. Write your domain /wp-admin. Write your username and password, and then log in. Now go with the mouse over Settings and click on Reading. You will see an option your homepage displays. Select here a static page. On the homepage, click on the Test page. You can select on your WordPress your desired page. After you selected the page, click on Save Changes. Now you have set the new page as the default homepage. Let's check. Go to the other tab. Click on the Refresh button. You see now the test page is on the front page. This is how you add a static page as a default homepage on WordPress site. If this was useful, please like, share, and subscribe. You can watch more videos from the right. Also, if you have any questions, please ask them in the comments area below.